as Coach Aaron Boyum and Coach Connor Getz come up with for refreshing their strategies in the second half.
Yeah, it's really something that what they're doing out there, and it's going to be fun to watch the second half just to see the strategies of both coaches. We're not throw some of the calls, and so we'll talk about that later. But right now, let's go to Dave Giles as we announce the outstanding winners of the Excel Award.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's celebration time. Today's celebration honors the 2024 Excel Award winners. The Minnesota State High School League and its premier corporate sponsor, Truestone Financial Credit Union, are proud to recognize these students who are leaders in their school and who are engaged in life-changing projects that build stronger, healthier, and safer communities. The Excel Awards have been given annually since 1996 to high school juniors who demonstrate a strong commitment to community service. These student leaders are selected through a multi-level process that involves league member schools and an independent panel of judges. More than 5,000 students have been recognized with the Excel Award. 299 students were nominated by their schools this year. Presenting the Excel Awards at center court are members of the Minnesota State High School League Board of Directors, Jim Smokrovich, Leroy Fairbanks, and Bill Tower, along with Dong Engebretson. They will be assisted by Charlie Campbell from the Minnesota State High School League. And now the 2024 Excel Award winners. Isabel Amsbaugh, Zambroda Mazeppa. Alexa Anderson, Malacca. Lila Bartles, Egan. Elise Bars, Roseville area. Guillaume Bibi, Mankato East. Nathan Blaszek, Bertha Hewitt. Eric Dashner, Janesville, Waldorf, Pemberton. Skyla Dower, Springfield. Zachary Dietz, Morris area. Emmanuel Edibiri, Totino Grace. Lucas Foss, Hastings. Eleanor Gruber, Princeton. Kaylee Idrogo Lamb, Edina. Hannah Jones, Aiken.
Thank you.
Alex Cruz, St. Clair. Claire Quant, St. Michael, Albertville. Caleb Lee, Parnassus Preparatory. Alex Leet, Mesabi East. Grace McNamee, Nevis. Nina Mork, St. Paul Humboldt. Legend Nelson, Mora. Sam Paulson, Park. Molly Petrowitz, Little Falls. Caitlin Ronnie, Hutchinson. Keely Runge, St. James. Ella Schluck, Waconia. Blake Schultz, Edgerton. Logan Schwinghammer, Zimmerman. Cooljes Singvi, Stillwater. Mason Swenson, Badger. Jordan Tice, Kimball. Brenna Tyson, North Lakes Academy. Holland Thompson, Park. Mason Cheetah, Little Falls. Sam Vahaji, Minneapolis Southwest. Georgia Wishala, Bertha Hewitt. Teresa Wunderlich, Owatonna. Bo Zwiner, Blooming Prairie. Also selected as Excel Award winners but unable to be with us today are Zoe Day, Wabasha Kellogg, and Madeline Hoos, Waterville Elysian Morristown. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2024 Excel Award winners. Please join the league and True Stone Financial in congratulating these outstanding individuals for their leadership and community service.